Hi everyone, this is Naresh Reddy from Brain Booster Institute. So please support me by subscribing this channel. Okay. So why? Because we have started a free e-math program in this pandemic days, COVID-19 pandemic days. It helps a lot of poor children to learn mathematics in easy way in the speed maths. Okay. So please subscribe my channel and please like and please share to your friends and please ask them to watch it and ask them to subscribe it here. Okay, so as the EMAT program, we have been learning mathematical multiplication tricks now. Okay, by using the Vedic maths. So in this lesson also, we are going to learn an amazing trick which gonna solve a large digit number multiplication within seconds now. You don't believe after watching this video, compulsory you will get excitement. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and for latest concepts like this now. Okay, thank you and let's start our lesson today. Okay, yeah. Yeah, my dear students and friends, see, I'm asking questions to you. Okay, I already told you compulsory you will get excitement after watching this lesson. Okay, can you solve this large digit problem within 5 seconds now? Okay, let's start the timer now. Okay, how many of you get correct answer? And please type your answer in the comment box within the 5 seconds. Please don't cheat. Okay, so let's start our timer now. Type your answer in the comment box. Please start. So 4 seconds and 3 seconds and 2 seconds and 1 second and time's up. So how many of you got correct answer? Let me check in the comment box. Okay. So yeah, then after that, let's see our what exact Vedic mastic involved to solve this large number multiplication. Then we can see that. Let's start our lesson now. So 4,77,000 into 963 into 9,99,000 into 999. Okay, now let's see. So we are using your Vedic math techniques. I'm going to reveal now. Okay, the first technique is one less than the one before, one less than the one before, and the second one is all from 9, the last from 10. By using these two techniques, we are going to multiply these two six-digit numbers in less than 5 seconds or in 5 seconds. You don't believe that. Let's see now. So one less than the one before, and the second one is all from 9, last from 10. So one less than the one before. Let's see now. One less than the one before. What does it mean by that? Means nothing but we are going to take here uh, the predecessor of the given number. Means nothing but exactly we take the number which is one less than the given number. Got the point? See, let's see. The given number is 1 minute. The given number is 4,77,963. So let's take now, let's subtract minus 1 from this now. By subtracting, what do you get, my students? 4,77,962. This is the first step. Now, almost we are. So let's see the second step now. Second step, all from 9, last from 10. Then what we have to see, we have the six digit in the given number, six digit. So these are the six digits here, 4,77,963. Here, except this last one. What is the last one here? 3. Except this last one, each and every digit we need to subtract from the 9 and this 3 from the 10. That means all from 9, last from 10. I think you have gotten. I've got it. Shall I explain one more time? See, all from 9, last from 10. Means except the last digit, we have to subtract each and every digit from 9. And the last one from 10. Got the point? Let's see how it's gonna help to us. Okay? See. So I'm writing the given number 4,77,963. So I already told you all from 9, last from 10. All the digits, let us subtract from 9, and 3, let us subtract from 10. Minus symbol I'm writing here. So the first 4 I am subtracting from 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Same. And 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 9 minus 7 is equal to again 2. And 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. And 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And the last one we need to subtract from 10. That's it. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And what have we got here? 5,22,037. For the point, 5,22,037 we have got here. Okay, almost we are here. 95% of the problem has been completed. For the simple, to the product of 4,77,963 into 9,99,999 is nothing but for just to add this two. Add means join these two. Okay, form. That's it. That's simple. See, this is the final answer of the our problem now. Okay, 4779625222037. Very biggest answer we have got. Was it awesome? So yeah, very beautiful method to find the largest, the product of largest digits now. But here I'm gonna reveal one secret to you. What is that? See, here this method only helps see the number of digits must be same, and any number multiplication with all nines, which is having the same digits now. If you are multiplying 6 digit number, that should be multiplied with 6 nines, as we have done now. If you have taken 7 digit number, we need to multiply with 7 nines. Only such case only this technique will appear. Gonna work to me. Okay, so let's see some more problems now. My dear students, see, I already told you here, practice makes man's perfect. Okay, practice makes man's perfect. Why? Because, and also woman also. Okay, don't worry about it. So by practicing, whenever you get the perfect, the whole application part which I taught now will be in your mind. No need of pen and no need of paper here. Got the point? So that's why you need to practice more. You need to practice. After watching this video, you can practice at least 10 problems compulsory. You will get an idea, and that will be saved in your mind and never be forget. Never be forgot. Okay. Let's see some more problems now. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm taking 3,674 into 9,999. Okay, so let us solve this problem by using our Vedic math method. Let's see. So I already told you, let us take a predecessor of this number. What is my answer? 3673. Simple. It is the predecessor of the number, and each digit let's subtract from all nines now. For example, see I'm writing here 999 and large from 10. Now, what do you get, my dear students? 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And just attach here. Now, 6, 3, 2, 6. This is the final answer. That's simple. In a usual multiplication, we take at least 5 to 10 minutes. But within seconds, we have done this. Got the point? Now, the next problem, let's see now. Oh my God, it's the very largest digits. 7 digit number we need to multiply with 7 digit number. Okay. So, but in our Vedic math method, it is very easy. Now let's see. The same. Let us take the predecessor of this number. What is the predecessor number? 7, 4, 5, and 3, 7, 2, 3. And the next, all the numbers let us subtract from 9 and the last from 10. Okay, that's I'm rubbing this. Okay, don't confuse. Right. Now let us add, subtract now. So 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 10. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Just this number let us put here. What do you get here? 2, 5, 46276. So what a beautiful, the biggest answer we have got here within seconds. So I think you are excited by doing this problem. Okay, I think I hope you are also going to practice this all the problems. Okay, at least 10 problems you practice, then surely you will get an idea of the point. And thanks for supporting me by subscribing this channel. Okay, so thank you, and please like it and share it, and subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much.